We all love paying taxes, right? After working hard all year, we end up giving a third to a half of our income to the government. And it's not just our earnings. We're taxed on nearly everything, from the home we live in to everyday purchases. Today, I want to share how my husband and I used smart tax strategies to change our lives. A few years ago, while I was still in my 40s, I left my 26-year career as a wildlife biologist, a career I loved, but one that didn't pay well enough to build the legacy wealth I needed to ensure my autistic son would always be taken care of without turning into a financial burden for my others. If you have a special needs child, I'm sure you share these concerns. I had invested in real estate since I was in college, so I knew that was the path to get to the level of wealth that I needed, but I didn't know how to make the transition into real estate full time while keeping money coming in, since real estate is generally a build wealth over time strategy versus instant cash flow equal to the steady paycheck I was accustomed to. While working as a biologist, my husband and I own 2 Massage Envy franchises. For those who don't know, Massage Envy operates on a membership model similar to a gym. While the business was profitable, taxes took a significant bite out of our earnings. Therefore, it wasn't enough for me to leave my job. A big change came when I attended a mastermind event and met a tax strategist who explained the tax benefits of investing in large real estate assets like apartment complexes, shopping centers, or medical buildings. Real estate provides a significant advantage: depreciation. This is a huge tax write-off, and it applies to the full value of the property, even though you typically only pay 20 to 40% of it, with the rest coming from the bank. The depreciation from these large properties can offset the income they generate, meaning you're reducing your taxable income. Stocks, on the other hand, don't offer that kind of tax benefits. In fact, you can get taxed every single time you sell a winning stock. You also can't leverage bank loans to purchase stocks. So we began redirecting extra income from our Massage Envy businesses into real estate. When I realized how much we could save in taxes through real estate, I knew I was one step closer to the full transition. My current paycheck was, of course, being taxed, so knowing this income wouldn't be was a huge benefit. However, our accountant explained that to take full advantage of the tax savings, I needed to qualify as a real estate professional under IRS guidelines. This allows me to offset not only real estate income, but also my husband's Massage Envy business income, since we filed taxes jointly. That was the ticket. When I did the math, I found that this savings would completely replace my entire income. Let me say that again. I found that this savings in taxes alone would replace my entire income. Suddenly, staying at my current job made no sense at all. I was essentially working for free. Another game changer was learning about self-directed retirement accounts. Upon leaving my job, I was able to roll my traditional retirement account into a self-directed one. This allowed me to invest that money in real estate and continue to grow it tax-free or tax-deferred. At the time, I had half of my retirement in a Roth account and the rest in a traditional IRA. On the Roth side, I don't pay taxes on the gains. This strategy allows me to potentially double my money every 4 to 6 years without facing the tax burden of traditional investments. Eventually, I rolled everything into the Roth self-directed account, and now my wealth grows completely tax-free. Did you hear that? My wealth growth is completely tax-free. To do this right, it's crucial to consult the right professionals. Speak with tax strategists and self-directed retirement account custodians. In case you don't know, CPAs and tax strategists are not the same. CPAs are generally preparing taxes after the fact, and many are not aware of these strategies. Working with the right experts can reveal incredible tax savings opportunities, like ones we used to save over $150,000 per year in taxes. Again, replace my entire income, right? Real estate has allowed me to create passive income streams and achieve financial freedom. If you're looking for ways to save on taxes, build wealth, or invest in real estate, I'd be happy to help or connect you with the right people. I hope you found value in this video. These strategies have made a massive difference in our lives, and they could do the same for you. The biggest thanks you can give me for the money I have hopefully saved you is to share this video with someone else that could also benefit from it. So please do so. Who knows? You might become their tax saving hero. Take care and share.